Like, this is the only time to shop for candles and just stock up on your favorite scents, or just stock up on any candles that you may like, because once this one day is done, that's it. You're not gonna get it back for the rest of the year. Hello guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel. As you guys can tell by the thumbnail and the title, it is the best day of Chanel's life. Every year Bath and Body Works have some type of blowout deal on all of their items. A week or two ago, they had the wallflowers for the wallflower refill. Normally they run from around $6 or so, and it was only $2.95. And the great thing about it is that you can add on coupons on top of that. My recommendation is, when shopping for these deals, I know some people do not like the hassle of going in stores with the stores being packed and everything, but that's where you get the best deals, because you can stack coupons upon coupons upon coupons when going into the store, whereas online you have to pay $5.99 for shipping, plus you can only use one coupon at a time. It limits you to all the discounts that you can get if you purchase online compared to purchasing in stores. So my recommendation is always look out for the deals, and especially set your days and your times according to the sales that they have, and because they normally send out emails at least a day before, so that way you have a heads up. I know it sucks because going into Bath and Body Works on these days is just so crowded, and I know because I work in the mall, so I can always just sneak out and go really early, so that way the crowd is not there. But I know for you guys who work, coming after work and all that stuff is a little bit harder, but you can always guarantee to get the deals, the best deals, stack coupons upon coupons, and not having to pay shipping by going in stores. So that's just a little side note to get you guys warmed up into this video. So Bath and Body Works had their annual Candle Day sale December the 7th, starting early at 12 a.m. online, and then in stores later on that day. Every single 3-wick candle was $9.50. Now that is the lowest the candles have gone for the year, and normally they wait till closer to the end of the year to do that sale, because so many of the candles they restock, or they change up the not the description, but the candle holder. They just change it up a little bit. Same name, same scent, and sometimes they discontinue scents and bring back scents. So you always have to be on Bath and Body Works, whether in store or online, to see what type of scents they do have. And that sale started, like I said, December the 7th. Every candle was for $9.50. As soon as I got that email, I stayed up, because normally I stayed up till like 12:31, and I went on the website that same night at 12 a.m. and the website was crazy. It was so slow. I added stuff to my cart and I was ready to check out, and it gave me like this error. So I think a lot of people were on there, and by the time I went to sleep and wake up around 11 a.m. or so, a lot of the candles that I had in my cart was gone. When I started searching for it, it was already sold out. It was not one of the options that I could have picked on there, so which sucks, but I still ordered online and I still picked up in store because there was much better deals in store. So the items I'm going to show you guys today is the items that I actually got in store, because the items that I have purchased online isn't here yet. It hasn't arrived yet. Today is December 11th. I just got an email earlier this morning that they finally shipped out the candles, I guess because just so many people bought and just so many people orders were taken in, so they just had a lot to do. So I get that, but it's just such a long time to wait for those candles. But in total, most of the scents that I got was definitely fruit flavored, candy flavored, and fruity flavored. Like, I just love those scents, and these candles work for such a long time, and it smells delicious. Like, it will smell up a whole room. And sometimes you just get so used to it and then you don't smell it anymore, and then people come over to visit and they're like, what's that scent? Okay, so the first scent I got was a cherry frost scent. When I went online, this was not on there. I don't know if they alternate the scents being online versus in store. I have no idea what they do, but this one is called cherry frost. It smells so delicious. I already started burning it, as you guys can tell right there. It has literally a cherry / blueberry / grape scent. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells delicious. I can eat this. I don't even know why I need all these candles. The total of candles, probably over 10 candles that I got, over 12. Definitely over 12 candles for a fact. But yeah, this one is one of my favorites, and like I said, a lot of these scents, they run out and they don't replenish till probably next year, and they could probably bring it with a different wrapping. So always look out if you guys see a scent that you really like that is only in for that season, definitely stock up on it, because you never know with Bath and Body Works, you mightn't get that back. So Cherry Frost, number 1. Second scent is 'Tis the Season. It's more of a Christmas scent. I do love the Christmas scents that they display. It's like a cranberry slash cinnamon slash Christmassy scent. I really don't know how to describe it. It just smells like Christmas. You know, every time you burn this, you will think of Christmas. That's exactly how this smells. Oh, it smells so good. I haven't burned this one yet, but this is pretty much what it looks like. Now this scent, like I said, is 'Tis the Season. It has a other 'Tis the Season scent, but it doesn't come in this wrapping anymore. It comes like in a different wrapping. I don't know why they do that, but a lot of the scents, they do have like different options and display, I guess, just how it looks, so that way you can use it as a decoration as well. So it gives you like a few options in order to get the style that you want, because it's the same exact scent but different display. I don't know what they call this thing, but it's definitely a different display. And like I said, I absolutely love fruity candy scents. Oh, I love this one. This one is called the Pink Fairy Gumdrop. When I saw this in store, I was like, give me like 2 or 3 of these. I think I have 3 of these actually. It smells so delicious. It smells like bubblegum, just exactly like bubblegum. You know that is it called Tutti Frutti bubblegum? I don't know what it is. You find it in the dollar store. It's a pink gum with I think there's a pony or unicorn or horse, I don't know what it is on top of it, but this is exactly what it smells like. It smells so amazing. Like, I want to eat this thing. Like, it smells so good. I just can't stop smelling it. It smells up the whole room. I haven't burned this one yet. This one is a new one. Like I said, I probably got like 3 of them. But oh my gosh, if you guys love the scent of bubblegum, definitely get this one. Okay, so this one is a classic one. This one is called Champagne Toast. I'm pretty sure if you guys have been purchasing from Bath and Body Works a long time now, you already know Champagne Toast is one of their staples. And like I said, Champagne Toast came like this, and it came in another jar as well. I can't remember what it looks like, but it was more decorative on it. This one is just a simple pink color. Champagne Toast is year round. You can get it. It's not seasonal. Year after year they come back with it, because I think this one is one of their top sellers. It just smells absolutely amazing. It smells like peaches. I think I'm really obsessed with candles, because I could just smell candles all day. I have so many candles. I don't even need them, but I just continue to collect them. And my family tends to burn out all my candles, so I just stock up every year round when they have their annual sale. This is only Christmas time scents. This Vanilla Bean Noel, only at Christmas time. I stock up on their lotions, the body butters. I absolutely love them. With one of the coupons that Bath and Body Works send you, you can get it for $8. Any one of them, any one of the lotion for $8. If you get the body butter though, I think that's 20 something dollars, so they minus $8 from it, so you only pay like $10 and something cents. I don't know, like sometimes Bath and Body Works coupons confuse me on the receipt, because I have like the longest receipt. I have no idea what it means, so I have to normally go inside, make sure they did the discount, or I calculate myself to see if I really got the discount, because sometimes the system itself do mess up and charge you, which they shouldn't. So always double check your receipts when going to Bath and Body Works. But this Vanilla Bean Noel, my favorite scent. Every Christmas I collect the body butters, I collect the candles. Actually, this is the first time I got the candles, I'm not gonna lie, with the Vanilla Bean Noel. It smells so delicious. It just smells like vanilla. Okay, vanilla and Christmas mix all in together. I rarely see it. This is what it looks like. It's just literally frosted cranberry. There's nothing much to it. It smells Christmassy. It smells like cranberry. I love the color. The wrapping is so cute as well. Like, they come up with really good wrappings. There's a new wrapping that came out with it's kind of bubbly. It's around $14 for this one, because I guess they know you can use it as like something else, like a table decoration or something. But yeah, this one is frosted cranberries. Literally smells like cranberries, and that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so the last one that I got in store was the one that I have right behind me right here. This scent is my favorite scent of all. I've never smelled this scent before. I think this is the first year they brought out this scent. It's called the Land of Sweets, and this one is a blueberry sugar. I'm gonna blow this one out because this is kind of dangerous trying to show you guys. It smells absolutely amazing. It smells like bubblegum, candy, everything blueberry mixed on up in together. It smells so delicious. Right now my whole room is smelling like it. I feel like drinking this, but that's probably deadly, so I won't do that on camera, kids. But it smells like blueberries, candy, bubblegum, cotton candy, everything just bundled up together. So if you guys saw this in store, I don't think I saw it online, to be quite honest. I saw this one in store and I grabbed up like 3 of them. I know, it's bad. 3 of them. 3. Okay, so other scents that I got online was watermelon lemonade. I'm already smelling the fruity scent already. I got sweater weather. There was one sweat, like I said, they normally have like 2 scents, but 2 different candle holders to, I don't know why they do that, but this one was sweater weather. One of them was sold out completely, and then this one I just purchased because the other one was sold out, so I assumed that it was a really good scent. I just got one of those. I got pineapple mango. I went in store, I actually saw that one and it smells delicious. It smells like a pina colada. I also got the sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I don't know if I'll like that one. There's a lotion that I have from them that I don't even see anymore. It smells so delicious, so that's the reason why I got that one, because of the lotion. So hopefully it smells just like the lotion. If not, I'm screwed. I got Island Margarita. This one smells so amazing as well, like really, really good. It smells like a fruity drink. I got marshmallow fireside, which probably smells like some vanilla marshmallow something. Vanilla patchoulio. I don't know how to pronounce that. What it's called, aromatherapy candles as well, because I don't know if it really works, but I was curious to try it out, especially when they had it $9.50 for each candle. So I was like, you know what, let me just try it out and see how it smells. So I got that one. It's supposed to be comforting. I got the lavender seawood. That's supposed to be more of a relaxing candle, just to calm you and to soothe you if you're having like stress or whatever the case may be. I got vanilla Coca-Cola candy. I have no idea how that smells. If you guys do have it at your house, let me know, because I would love to know how it smells. And then I got mermaid wishes. I have no idea how that smells either, but it just sounds really good. I don't know. It was out of stock, like I said. I woke up 12 something. I put some in my cart and I couldn't get it because it was all sold out. I'll tell you the ones that were all sold out. So if you did get it, let me know, because I really want to know how it smells. And I really hope that when I get these candles, and if I don't like the scent, I could go in store and actually exchange it. So hopefully they'll restock by then. The first one was unicorn sprinkles. Do you guys have that one? Let me know. It smells down below. It sounds like it smells so good. The one was strawberry pound cake. I love cake. I know that has to smell good. I wanted to get the cereal marshmallow bar. I was so upset when that was gone. Lavender marshmallow, which I'm pretty sure smells like a vanilla marshmallow now with a lavender hinted. Vanilla snowflake, which I'm pretty sure just smells like vanilla. And Georgia peach. I didn't get that one. Probably just smells like regular peach. There's an orange ginger one that was for energy. I'll probably just, that was aromatherapy one as well. So if you guys have any of those that I listed that I didn't end up getting, please let me know how you think it smells down in the comments down below. And if you guys want to see a second haul to the ones I actually get in the sale from online, let me know and I'll tell you guys pretty much how it smells and if I'm going to keep it or exchange it in store. So if you guys did enjoy this haul, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you guys enjoy these hauls, because I'm pretty sure I have more coming. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the other hundreds, thousands and millions of videos that I'll be making here on YouTube. Peace.